Hey everyone, welcome back to day 10 of my advent calendar from Lozzie Creates. Again, all of her information is below if you'd like to follow her. And today's hint says, this just seemed really unusual and I thought it might make for a fun stream. So it's something she wants me to do on stream. I have loved all the craft stuff so far. I'm so excited. I think I've got 3 or 4 things already from her for stream. So make sure you're following me on Twitch because I'll definitely do them on stream. It's so vague, but yes. Ooh! I see Daiso Japan, so let's flip it over and see. Oh, this is really cool. It's for Halloween, but it'll be something to do next year for Halloween. It's a little basket. Look how cute that is. It's a little pumpkin basket. I'm hoping it has full instructions on here. The nice thing is that it's in English and Japanese, so I can see this. So maybe there's some directions inside there in English. If not, I'm gonna learn, I guess. So there is day 10 of the advent calendar. I'll be back tomorrow with day 11, so make sure you're following me so you'll be notified when I post day 11. And again, follow me on Twitch because I do crafts over there as well. See you guys.